Hi, I'm Rogene Mañas, mixed media artist and author of Artful Paper Clay. I've invented my own mixed media techniques using an air-dried clay called paper clay. It's flexible, fun, and forgiving, and easy to use. So much so that I even wrote a book about it called Artful Paper Clay, Techniques for Adding Dimension to Your Art. In my online workshop, you're going to learn how to use paper clay to create dimensional artwork that holds amazing detail, kind of has a wood-carved effect, and it's going to leave people wondering how on earth you made it. Learn to design and create patterns for your clay work. Learn simple bas-relief sculpting techniques to get the effects you want. Learn how to use the basic tools, how to finesse the clay, how to refine your art once the clay is dry, and how to preserve the clay with acrylic finishes, and finally painting techniques for a luminous look. Plus, if you buy the class, you'll have access to even more, like how to make ornaments and appliques to add to other work, how to use paper clay to make three-dimensional objects like dolls and figurines. And you'll get an illustrated step-by-step booklet with project patterns that you can download, plus a materials list with links to all my favorite suppliers. So reserve your spot today for this fun online class through Curious Mundo, where you conquer new possibilities.